Hi guys, I'm here in the Philippines. So this is the first time that I'm trying this famous ice cream from US. And we just bought this in Landers. This because you're not gonna find this specific ice cream from other store. I think only in Landers. So just bought it earlier. So it's called the Great Divide and ano ba to? Blue Ball ice cream. Okay, this one. So the flavor. Okay, I'm so sorry guys. So the flavor is homemade vanilla and Dutch chocolate flavor. Okay. So it's made in Loving Care but Bluebell Cream ano to? Creameries LP Brenham, Texas, USA. So let's gonna try it guys. Okay. So this is how. So here it goes na guys. Ay, can't open pa oh. See, it's a bit melted because we drive like few hours before we go home. So this is how it look like now, but it tastes better. Maybe. I try it already. It's so yeah, it's so good guys. See. It's very different from taste in ice cream here in the Philippines. Like the local brand in ice cream, it's way different. So you should try this guys. Go to Landers and grab this Blue Bell ice cream. So good. Bye-bye.